In this video, I'll show you how to use the Infographic Designer custom visual to build engaging reports in Power BI. To get started, open Power BI Desktop, go to Get More Visuals, search for Infographic Designer, and add it to your report. Now select the Infographic Designer visual and add your data. I'll add region in Category field, product in Legend field, and profit in Measure field. Let's design infographic visual. On the visual, you can see this edit mark.
Click on it.
Here in Format pane, select Shape. You can choose built-in icons. Or also choose from URL or upload the icon from your desktop. Here I am selecting a laptop icon. Turn on Multiple Units toggle. Next, select Value Color. Select Data Binding field as Region and apply. Now you can see for each region, icons are in different colors. You can further explore other available formatting options. And that's how you create an infographic-style custom visual in Power BI using Infographic Designer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.